Tiny treasures and toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Daniel, Tiger, and Baby Margaret are having a look at this very nice sports car, and it's called a Porsche. And Tiny Treasures Mini got this for Christmas, and it's by Playmobil. So there's a little driver. Let's have a look at him. Oops, he's got some really cool sunglasses on and a watch and a blue collared shirt, and he's going to drive Daniel Tiger around today. As you can see, Tiny Treasures Mini has been having a lot of fun with it. There's some little nicks and marks, and it's remote control. So we're going to have a little fun around the house today. Oh, did you see that, Tiny fans? The lights just turned on and off. And on again. And I think there are lights in the back. Let's have a look. Oh, the back lights are what color, Tiny fans? The same color as Daniel's sweater.
Red.
That's right. They're red. All right. Now, let's see inside the car. There's only one seat for Daniel Tiger in the passenger. And let's go for a ride. All right, we're ready to go. Tiny Treasures Mini is using the remote control. On your mark, get set, go. Oops. There's all sorts of little switches and knobs. The car can back up as well as move forward. Back, forward, back, forward. All right, we've set up an obstacle course with some yellow cones. Let's see if Tiny Treasures Mini can maneuver the car around the cones. Ready, set, go! Oh, big sharp turn. Good job, Tiny Treasures Mini. Oh, oops! And a little bit of a crash at the end. Good job. See if you can come back. And thank you so... Oh, and Daniel Tiger, sit down. Put your seatbelt on. You're not facing the wrong way. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.